Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Capture card must support your target resolution and use USB 3.0. Once done, install the capture software on your PC so drivers are ready. Make sure you have two HDMI cables and the USB cable. Begin by powering up Xbox and PC, then connect the capture card to the PC via USB. This first actionable step lets the computer recognize the device. Meanwhile, keep your Xbox dashboard open so you can change output settings next. Now route the video. Plug the Xbox HDMI OUT into the capture card HDMI in, then connect the capture card HDMI OUT to your TV or monitor for pass-through. Make sure the capture card's USB is securely attached to a USB 3.0 port on the PC. Once connected, open Device Manager or your Capture app to confirm the card is detected. Next, set Xbox display to 1080p 60 or your target. Disable HDCP in settings so capture software can ingest the stream without encryption blocking it. Finish by selecting the capture card as the video and audio source in your capture software, then configure resolution, frame rate, and bitrate to match the Xbox output. Once set, perform a short local recording to verify sync and audio levels before you go live. If you see no video or audio, first make sure HDCP is disabled on the Xbox. Then power cycle the capture card and replug HDMI and USB on a USB 3.0 port. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.